How to unlike in Badoo. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss if you can unlike a particular profile in Badoo. So let's start. First of all, open the Badoo app and log into your account. After you log into your Badoo account, you will come to the encounter section like this. Now in order to like a profile, you can simply right swipe it, or you can tap on the like icon that you can see at the bottom. When you like a profile, then there is no such option to bring that particular profile back. If you have used other platforms such as Tinder, then you might know that there is the rewind option on Tinder and bring the liked profile back. However, there is no such rewind option on Badoo, and hence you cannot bring a profile once you have liked or unliked it. Since you cannot bring back a liked profile, there is no option to unlike it. However, if you later match with the profile, you can simply unmatch it and move on. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.